Good day everyone. Today we will see how to create public waiting chair set as dynamic block. Okay, let's see. Go mirror, select chair, enter, mirror line, enter, go block, B, enter, block name, public waiting chair set 1, select object, enter, pick point, block unit millimeters, open in block editor. Okay, now go parameters, base point, line, L, enter, create line, extend, trim, select line, construction, convert. Okay, now go parameters, visibility, click visibility point, visibility status, rename, single, new, multiple. Okay, select single, set current. Okay, make invisible, click, select object, select red line, enter. Now go visibility, select multiple, go parameters, linear, select distance 1 parameter, go properties, number of grips 1, value set, this type, increment, distance increment 800, enter, distance minimum 800, enter. Okay, now go actions, array, select distance 1 parameter, select object, select red line. Okay, enter, distance between column, type 800 or click first point, click second point. Okay, now save block, close block editor. Okay, let's see. Select chair, now single, select multiple, stretch, select single, select multiple, stretch, select single, multiple. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.